Get a feel for the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. This vehicle still has fewer than 5,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Chevrolet Equinox, the small SUV with a big spirit of adventure. Passenger-friendly, loaded with safety features, and great for hauling cargo, it's an ideal family car. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, remote engine start, power liftgate, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Enjoy the journey in the capable and comfortable Equinox. Drive it today.